English for philosophy, analytic philosophy, RAM by Ahmad Salahuddin, Saka and Afnan. A background, preliminary background, learning philosophy. Some to enter a fast and loose field, there are no clear things that can lead to the most approved by all, so that everything becomes mysterious and full of problems. The last development of the philosophy and science is the arrival of philosophers to research on language, and it will continue without end. The emergence of philosophy, according to B. Russell, originated from the concept of life and the world. Most of the philosophers of the world assumed that the one must be a material substance, starting from the assumption about the origin of all things. Yes. So, for B, formulation of the problem 1, explain the notion of analytic philosophy. 2, explain the background to the emergence of analytic philosophy. 3, describe the characters and thought of analytic philosophy. Chapter 2, discussion. 1, understanding analytic philosophy. What the meaning analytic philosophy? The attention of philosophers to language is getting bigger. They are aware that in reality on many philosophical problems, philosophical concepts will become clear by means of language analysis. The figures of the analytic philosophy of language came up with their language analytic therapy to overcome the weakness of absurdity, chaos that has existed in various kinds of philosophical concepts. And etymologically, the word analytic means investigation, logical, in-depth, systematic, sharp, and structured. Some definition of analytic philosophy in terminology, namely, analytic philosophy is a movement of 20th century philosophers, particularly in Britain and the United States, that focus on language and theory to analyze statement, language experience of logical form in order to find forms that are the most logical and fit with the facts or meaning presented. What is central to analytic philosophy is the formation of definitions that are either linguistic or non-linguistic or conceptual. Yes. The philosophy of language began to develop in the 20th century with Wittgenstein analytic philosophical study of language. It was Noam Chomsky who first raised language as a linguistic discipline. It was Grice and Hoyne who raised the meaning as the speakers in the intentionality and the meaning in the context of the idiom. Davidson further explores the semantic structure to understand language, including its elements, and to develop interpretation that can differ between the speaker and the one being discussed. Frege further developed the concept of reference. Language experience are not only representations of mind, but also contain reference, which are things that are referent to the displayed statement. Basically, the development of the analytic philosophy of language includes the mind school, namely logical antonym, logical atomism, logical positivism, and ordinary language philosophy. Yes, this is from one problem. Yeah. Problem number one is the meaning of analytic philosophy. Yes, this is for me. So next problem, explain the background to the emergence of analytic philosophy. Read by Salahuddin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Ahmad Solahuddin. Di sini saya akan mempresentasikan tentang the background to the emergence of analytic philosophy. In the history of Western philosophy between the late 18th century and the early 20th century, in the West, there were two major schools that dominate philosophical thought at that time. The two schools are the philosophy of idealism and the philosophy of empiricism. Idealism developed rapidly in the German philosophy tradition, while empiricism developed in the England. The idealism figures include Fichte, Hegel, and Schelling. Meanwhile, figures from the school empiricism were John Locke, David Hume, Herbert Spencer. Even though the stronghold of empiricism as a whole contradicts the stronghold of rationalism, the schools of philosophy which focus more on reasoning to obtain the truth is finally combined by Immanuel Kant. But the influence of their thinking has not stopped there. Positivism, Auguste Comte, which has succeeded in driving the pace of scientific development, is still closely related to the foundation of empiricism. The influence of empiricism thought began to fade when the echo of Hegel's philosophy idealism began to enter England in the mid-19th century. Hegel's philosophy, which ruled the world of philosophy throughout Europe, managed to destroy the influence of empiricism in its own home, namely England. But at the beginning of the 20th century, the philosophical climate began to change. British philosophers began to suspect or damn the claim made by Hegelians. British scholars thinking that the philosophical expression of idealism is not only difficult to understand, but also has strayed far from common sense. Therefore, these British thinkers tried to break away from the grip of the philosophy of idealism. It was struck with Jan Stein that the revolution against the influence of the Hegelians emerged a new method, namely the method of language analysis.